Okay, so welcome back. But every couple of weeks, I would say every 3 weeks, depending on activity, I fill these deer feeders with deer corn. Well, apparently, I've been carrying some of this deer corn in the back of this mule, and every time I drive around the land, some of this corn falls in the ground. So now we have what we call a surprise corn planted, but little did I know it was actually going to get bigger, and it did. We had a lot of rain, and now we have deer corn on the ground. So I'm about to show you what happens when you drive around with bags of corn. You'll find you'll find corn plants scattered everywhere. So it's pretty cool. So let me show you around. Okay, so I think I drove in a straight line because I have 3 plants growing, and they're apart. They're the same distance apart, which is weird. But yeah, this is the corn plant we got. The surprise corn just appeared out of nowhere. But it looks like, yeah, I got ants on here. Obviously I didn't take care of these because I didn't know they were here. But this one's already rotten. This one's already rotten. Yeah, this one's still good. And this is field corn. Can't eat it. I mean, I guess you can. But I'm gonna use this corn to make my own deer attractant. Deer season is coming up. Yeah, it's July, but it'll be here soon. It's about 200,000 degrees out here right now. But come October, November, it's gonna get cooler, and I'm hoping to have this corn ready to put it on the ground or mix it with other attractants like I did last year. So this one looks really good. Now I'm going to open this corn to see what it looks like. I think it's very tiny. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty good. It smells really good. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Let's check out the other plants. This one's full of ants, and it's got a pretty good sized corn. Wow, look at that! Look at all the ants. So I don't know if this one's gonna make it. It's just small. It's just a small plant. Here's the other one. This is another one. This one looks healthy, so I'm gonna let it grow. This one doesn't have a lot of ants. And we got this one here. This one has a lot of them growing. This one's the biggest one yet. No ants. I think a hand of corn was dumped here. 1, 2, 3 plants. This one's kind of growing. And this one here is pretty good. It's pretty healthy. So we had a lot of rain, and I think that helped it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone, see what it does. If it dries, and if it comes back with more corn, I'm just gonna, probably this is a really good spot to grow corn. This is doing really well, so it's pretty good. So tell me what you think. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.